Oh, I don't understand what the teacher taught me today.
What happened, Akshat? Why do you look so worried?
Janvi, today my teacher taught me about is, am, and are. But I didn't get it, and I am getting confused.
Don't worry, Akshat. I will help you in resolving your doubts.
Thank you, Janvi. Let me take my book, then we'll start.
Well, there are special words we use to talk about actions. Let's learn about them together. The words is and am are used for one. The word are is used for more than one. The words is, am, and are. They are also known as helping words. For example, he is a good boy. They are beautiful girls. I am reading this book.
Okay, this is interesting.
Akshat, look at this toy car. It is red.
Yes, it is. It is fast too.
That's right. When we talk about something singular, like this red toy car, we use the word is. Akshat, look at this book. I am reading it. Here, am is a word we use when talking about ourselves doing something, like I am reading this book. Akshat, look at those swings. They are so much fun.
What is the special word here?
Of course, are is a word we use when talking about more than one thing, like those swings.
Oh, this is very interesting.
Let's go out and explore now. Let's take some examples from outside.
Okay, let's go.
Akshat, look at that butterfly. It is fluttering around the flowers.
Yes, it is. Look, there are more over there.
That's right. When we talk about something singular, like that butterfly, we use the word is.
Oh, I got it. Thank you, Janvi. Now, it is totally clear to me.
That's good, Akshat. Now let's play hopscotch.
Yes, Janvi, let's go.